Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts list, then select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to edit photo. You can take photo or just select photo from the gallery, as I am going to do. Here you can adjust an image and then tap done and save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.